Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Jeneline Veredas, 39 years old from Philippines, and I have four kids. I came from San Fernando, Pampanga, and my land origin was Davao City. And my first job experience is in Malaysia. I take good care of the special child, 17 years old female. I'll do the feeding, suctioning and changing the NGT tubes. And I always taking good care of her. I do make shower, uh, NGT, the gauze changing every day, changing diaper also. And I do the car wash also of the employer's family, 4 or 5 car every week. And I also pet the dogs, and I do gardening in Malaysia and cooking for my papa. And the second one experience is in Saudi Arabia. My patient was had as cancer. He was 82 years old, male. He has diagnosed a blood bladder cancer, and I need to prepare his first meal of the day and prepare his medication, especially cleaning his room. And after the patient, I need to clean the whole house, first, second, third floor. I do the mop, sweeping the floor, cleaning the bathrooms, and cleaning their rooms. And the weekend, I do clean the swimming pool. I need to brush it and dry it and then put another new water. And I do ironing at night time, maybe 3 to 4 basket every night. And the third one is in Singapore. Um, I have a patient there, 65 years old, female. She was diagnosed by a stroke and had an aneurysm. He was a tracheostomy. She was a tracheostomy and the NJ tube milk feeding. And I do the feeding, then suctioning, the dressing, the wound dressing, changing diaper, and the daily shower, mm, and cleaning the room, the patient, washing her clothes. And after the one here in Hong Kong, could take care of the 84 years old male, the COPD patient, have a tracheostomy, BiPAP machine with the oxygen support. Mm, I do the milk feeding during nighttime. Actually, my duty is in nighttime. I do the feeding, the medications, um, changing diapers, assist him to go back in the bed, vice versa, bed to wheelchair, wheelchair to bed, and monitoring his vitals, especially the auto saturation and oxygen level. And for the Philippine experience, I do take care of the 16 boy have the autism. I do prepare the meds, her food, the daily clothes. Every morning we have the daily routine. It's walking, exercise, and I do fetch her from school because she was studying. So I do teach him also and try to play with him. And I take good care also the 4 dogs, feed the 4 dogs, and shower the four dogs. And that's it. Hopefully, mom and sir will hire me, not based on the experience, but of what am my capabilities of. Thank you. Have a nice day.